Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today video I am just gonna do the quick unboxing video for the bag that I ordered from Nancy. So this is the box. It just came like 5 minutes ago, and this is how it look. This is from Nancy. I ordered it I think GM GM Neverfull. So yeah, just give me a second. I'm gonna wrap it up. Just hang on a second. Quick shipping from Nancy. So there you go. And also I ordered a wallet, so I got two. There you go. I opened this one later, so right now I'm just gonna focus for the bag. So I'm gonna show you guys the wrapping. This is the wrapping from Nancy. It's like this. Let me show you guys more. Just hang on there. And this is the bag. Louis Vuitton. Yeah, so the phone's there. Doesn't matter me. Yes, honey. And this is the bag. Oh wow. Oh wow, look at this, sweetheart. So yeah, this is the bag that I ordered. I ordered it the Damier event, and this is the GM size. Oh wow, that's pretty. Wow. Look, it's still wrapping everything, and they wrap with the blue stuff in there, and this is inside. Like, I got the pouch. Yeah, so this is the bag that I ordered. Oh my god, I'm excited. It's nice. Nancy just quick shipping from Nancy, and this is a very nice quality, I believe. I ordered more from Joy, but Joy is taking forever to send it to me. I placed my order with Joy on March 8th, and then I believe last night I got some email from her that she's already shipping it. She shipped it to me. So yeah, I'm waiting for that too. I can't wait. So this is the bag. Okay, looks like. The zipper is nice. Still, yeah. And they have the date code, I believe, in here. There you go. So this is the back like.
No, there's no bugs there. Yeah. It's not even a bug.
Two. So it came with this pouch together, and I got the Louis Vuitton. Okay. It's really nice quality, guys.
That's a bug.
Finally, this is my first order with Nancy. impressed. It's nice.
No.
Okay, so guys, this is the bag. Like, I love that. It's super nice. It's super nice quality. That's the bag. So yeah, and also I order one more stuff from Nancy, and I got this wallet. So the wallet came with a box, but the bag, it just come with the dust bag like this. This is the wallet I ordered from Nancy, and that's come like that. Say Louis Vuitton in there. It's nice packaging, and I got the chains in there. Another booklet. Oh, it's super bright. I don't know, guys, if you can see it better. So like this, come like that. I watch a lot of video on YouTube. I just, so I ordered the wallet, what is called Insolite wallet. So this is what it's come. There you go. It's nice. I love pink. I love pink. It's, oh, it's nice too. This is the monogram. So it has how many cards in there. You can put the card stuff in there, and there. Put something in there too. Oh wow. The zipper is gonna hard a little bit. I think I have to put some oil in there. So there you go, and then the zipper in here too. This is nice and smooth. Yeah, so I ordered this. I ordered this wallet from Nancy, and then this one is cost me 42 US dollar, and then this one is 150 for the bag. 150 for the bag, and I paid for the shipping $20 to get here. I live in Canada, guys, so it takes a week to get here. So guys, yeah, I think that's about it for my unboxing video. If you guys have any question or stuff, if you want to order from Nancy, you want to try her, that's but you don't know how to order or stuff like that, you just give me some email. Just email me and I will get back to you for sure. Yeah, I think that's about it. And give me a thumbs up if you guys like my video, and subscribe for more video. Thank you for watching, guys. You guys have a good day. Bye.